Hello everyone, I'm going to make a short and beginner friendly tutorial on OpenRefine application. So let me first tell you a little bit about what OpenRefine is, how it works, and why you should learn and work on OpenRefine. So according to the definition of Google, it is a powerful, free and open source desktop application that is designed to clean, transform and refine messy data. So suppose you are working on a dataset that can be large, that can be medium or whatever. That dataset has some kind of inconsistencies. So you have to transform or clean your dataset in a way to make it usable for you. So by using OpenRefine application you can do that very easily, because in for using OpenRefine you don't need to learn or use any kind of coding or programming. It is fully function based. There are some functions, there are some options you have to use to make your dataset more usable and clean or transform your dataset. So it is very comfortable to use and learn. So let me first show you how I have downloaded my OpenRefine application. So you have to visit this website and there will be this download option. You have to click on that and then there will be a zip file that is downloaded. So you have to unzip that file, and inside that unzip folder you can find an exe named file. Okay, so you have to click on that, and after clicking on that file your OpenRefine application will be opened in your default browser. So this is what it will look like at first glance. So there is an option called choose files. So if you click on that option you can choose your dataset from your Windows folders or files. So I'm going to use this demo dataset for today's tutorial, and you can find this dataset in here. So if you come to this website you can scroll down a little bit and you can see this headline which is named which is called downloading the data, and if you click in here your dataset will be downloaded automatically. So coming back to the OpenRefine application, I have already chosen my dataset. I'm going to click on next. So it has uploaded my data in here. So as you can see it hasn't created my project yet but just uploaded the whole dataset in here. So from this dataset I can see it is dataset of articles, so published articles. So there are titles, authors, DOI, URL and everything, citations and license and everything about the articles. So there are some other options in here. So I'm not going to explore these options today, but you can explore it by yourself if you want. So today I'm going to just show you some very simple work. So I'm going to rename my project name with demo work and click on create project, and it will create my project in here. So as you can see here that this is the file and I have already created my project, and it only shows 10 rows because the options are chosen is 10. If I choose 25 it will show me 25 rows. So suppose I want to only work with 10 rows for now. So there can be many kind of inconsistencies in a dataset. For example, if I come to my dataset and if I visit my column name language, you can see that there are same long language but has two different keys. So for example, for English there is a key named English, there is also another key named en. Okay, so there is no need to have two separate keys for one language, right, for one data. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to edit this en key to English. How I can do this? So first of all you can go to the facet, go to this option and then click on facet and click on text facet. So when you click on text facet there will be some values in your left side, you can see. So these are the unique values for the column language. Okay, so you can see some values beside these unique names. So it shows how many times these values has been used in this column. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to edit this en keyword and make it English. Okay, so it doesn't create any confusion later. Okay, so I'm going to click on apply. So as you can see, my column has been edited, right? So this is one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is, for example, you are using a data set that has a column that is not needed for your project. Okay, so for my project, every column seems very important, but for your perspective, if there is a column that is not very important for your project, you can remove it. So how you can remove it? You can go to that column. Suppose I don't need the license column right now, so I'm going to use this option, and I am going to scroll down a little bit, and then there will be an option which is called edit column. Then in this edit column option, there is some other sub options. So inside these sub options, there is one option that is called remove this column. So if I click this option, my whole column will be removed. So let me just click on this, and as you can see, the column has been removed. So this is very simple tricks that I have showed you today, and you can, learn and explore more by yourself, or maybe I will show you more other tricks or more other options in the in the future tutorials. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.